Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for all things tech. Today, we've got something that's both elegant and practical: the RE wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This sleek combo is here to add convenience to your work or play, and we're diving into what makes it a must-have. Let's start with the key features that make this combo a standout choice. Looking for a standard office keyboard and mouse? Look no further. This combo brings elegance to your desktop and is perfect for both work and tea time. And you won't have to worry about changing batteries because they're not included in the package. Now, let's talk about the wireless mouse. It's slim, stylish, and adjustable with 3 DPI settings: 800, 1200, and 1600. Plus, those ergonomic keycaps make typing a breeze. Setting up this combo is a piece of cake. It's plug and play, so no need for drivers. There's even a USB receiver tucked away at the back of the keyboard for your convenience. Worried about the wireless range? Don't be. This combo offers a transmission distance of up to 10 meters, making it suitable for various devices like PCs, laptops, Android TV boxes, and more. We value our users, and that's why we offer friendly customer service and a worry-free 1-year product service. If you encounter any issues, our support team is here to help. Now, let's dive into the specifications. The RE wireless keyboard offers a key life of over 10 million clicks. It operates at an effective distance of 8 to 10 meters and comes in a sleek size that's perfect for your desk. The RE wireless mouse boasts a DPI resolution of 800, 1200, 1600. It's also effective up to 8 to 10 meters. With its compact design, it fits comfortably in your hand. So, there you have it. The RE wireless keyboard and mouse combo, your partner for productivity and leisure. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to add elegance and convenience to your workspace, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech savvy and stay productive.